Hello everyone, welcome back to Faewood Mead, or welcome to Faewood Mead. If this is your first time here, hello, thanks for joining us. Today we are tasting the Fig Mead. I actually already had a video of this filmed, the 3-month tasting that I just never put out, and I sat down to edit it and I realized that I'm basically already at a year, and I figure, I should just refilm this. Like, why? I'll just drink this one. I'll show you this one. It's not technically a full year yet, but whatever, it's close enough. Do you like my little shrink wrap tops? I started doing this because I have had some oxidation issues. I have accidentally left some meads standing up. Don't do that. You gotta put them on their sides, and then if you put some kind of wax, sealant, or whatever on top, that just gives even more protection against oxygen. So for one thing, this mead is very nice and clear. There's like the teeniest amount of stuff that I just stirred up. Ooh, oh my God, so aromatic. I had brought this mead with me to Mead Stampede, and got very, very good feedback on it, actually. I kind of wish that I'd filmed everyone's reactions to it, because it made me very happy. I felt very validated. So, very exciting. That is like, it smells so good. Fresh figs, and then some dried figs and cinnamon is what I put in here. Ooh, yeah, that is smooth. The aroma reflects the flavor as well, which is great. I mean, that's something that you want. This is 10.5% as well. It is sweet. However, it's not like overly sweet. I think it's just the right amount. It like does this. It's just this nice whoop incline in flavor, where you really get that peak fig experience, and then it slowly declines. You do get a little bit of that cinnamon, which is very nice as well. It adds a little bit more complexity. The fresh figs, they add a very mild base. I think figs lose their flavor really quickly. When you dry them, it gets like really condensed, and that's where most of the flavor is, which is why I had to add dried figs to this. So you could probably get a similar result with like I don't know, I would say a different type of like mild fruit, if you ferment on I mean, even if you just throw dried figs in the secondary, you're probably going to get something very similar to this. Dried figs aren't anywhere near as expensive as fresh figs. So I would think that you could try this. Just make a traditional, add dried figs in the secondary with cinnamon, maybe some vanilla even. If you want to go more of a fig Newton vibe, throw in some graham crackers or whatever. This is really pleasant. There's nothing hot, there's nothing sharp. It's just very smooth and very easy to drink. I'm very happy with this. This will probably be a regular thing that I would want to make. Man, I just want to drink this. I think this would be really good to bake with too, because it is such a nice flavor. I think adding this to like a cinnamon raisin bread, if you add a little bit of like fig mead to it, something like that, even like bananas and figs, I think that would be really nice. Add a little bit of a different character to it. Well, let me know if any of you have worked with figs. At first I was like, why did I pour myself such a big glass? Now here I am, and I drank all of it. Very good. Color's really pretty. It's just very pleasant. I would 10 out of 10 make this again. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. I don't know how much more detail to get into. It's figgy, it's balanced, it's delicious. Drink it on its own, maybe make something with it, bake a little bit. Well, thank you so much for watching. Check out my links below. I'd appreciate that. Mwah! Bye.